This module dives into real estate as a pathway for entrepreneurship rather than just a career or investment. Real estate is a business domain where individuals can start with little or much capital and grow into multi-million-naira portfolios. This module unpacks how real estate fits into the broader framework of entrepreneurship. Its startup processes, risk and reward dimensions, innovation opportunities, and business modeling. You will learn how to think like real estate entrepreneurs, identifying opportunities, minimizing risk, creating value, serving markets, building brands, and generating wealth through visionary real estate solutions. Whether as an agent, developer, flipper, landlord, or consultant, this module gives you the entrepreneurial mindset and tools required to thrive in the business. Understanding real estate entrepreneurship. Real estate entrepreneurship refers to the process of starting, owning, managing, and growing a business that creates value through property acquisition, services, development, or brokerage. It involves identifying underutilized property potential, solving housing and space-related problems, using strategy to turn land into wealth, risking capital for long-term returns, creating jobs and services for communities. Key entrepreneurial qualities in real estate include vision, seeing beyond current property states, innovation, using tech or strategy to stand out, negotiation skills, to close deals, resilience, to face downturns and rejections, ethics and integrity, for trust-based transactions. Real estate is not just about structures. It is about solving human needs with entrepreneurial creativity. Entry points into real estate entrepreneurship. You don't have to own land to start in real estate. Entrepreneurs can enter through various low-capital and service-based models, such as real estate agency/brokerage, acting as a middleman between buyers and sellers for commissions, property management services, managing rental properties for absentee landlords, property flipping, buying undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling for a profit, real estate marketing and branding, using digital marketing to help others sell or lease their properties, real estate photography, content creation, and virtual tours, real estate consulting and advisory services, real estate investment clubs or crowdfunding, land banking and buy-to-hold investing. Each entry path requires different capital levels, risk tolerance, legal compliance, market understanding, technical tools. Building a real estate business model. To succeed in real estate as a business, entrepreneurs must adopt a business model framework that outlines how they will create value, deliver value, capture value. Common real estate business models include commission-based model, agents, rental income model, landlords, buy and flip model, investors, subscription model, real estate apps and platforms, joint venture model, shared development with partners, listing platform model, property websites, service model, consultancy or training, business model canvas elements, value proposition, customer segments, channels, revenue streams, key partners, key activities, cost structure. Real estate entrepreneurs must choose models that match their strengths, financial capacity, and long-term goals. Legal, ethical, and financial considerations. Running a real estate business requires attention to registration with Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC, licensing, EEG, realtor licenses in some countries, tax obligations, VAT, income tax, professional indemnity and risk insurance, clear contractual agreements, anti-fraud compliance and ethical codes. Failure to comply with the legal framework can lead to lawsuits, fines, brand damage, loss of investor confidence. Ethics in entrepreneurship is especially important in real estate due to the high involvement of capital and trust. Many entrepreneurs fail not due to poor strategy, but due to dishonesty, unprofessionalism, or negligence. Scaling and sustaining a real estate enterprise. Starting is one thing, scaling and sustaining are different. Real estate entrepreneurs must think in terms of team building, surveyors, lawyers, marketers, etc. Brand identity, tech integration, CRM, mobile apps, websites, lead generation systems, social proof and client reviews, diversification into rentals, development, consultancy, etc. Joint ventures and partnerships, land or capital acquisition plans. They must also prepare for market slumps, political instability, policy shifts, e.g. land use laws, client default or litigation. Business longevity in real estate depends on systems, data-driven decisions, ethics, client service, and reinvestment strategy. Key points to note. Real estate is fertile ground for entrepreneurship across all capital levels. Entrepreneurs in this space must think beyond selling property, they must build value-driven businesses. There are multiple entry points into real estate business, from brokerage to digital services. A solid business model, legal framework, and ethical foundation are non-negotiable. Sustaining a real estate business requires strategy, branding, reinvestment, and continuous learning.